Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're looking at this 2019 Mitsubishi Outlander. We're going to be removing and replacing the cabin air filter. The process on this should be the same, if not very similar, to most 2013 to 2019 year models, especially the 2015 and newer vehicles. But this should be the same, if not very similar, from 2013 to now. Make sure you look for a link in the description below to purchase a cabin air filter if you need one. Getting started real quick. The cabin air filter is located under your glove box door right here. Open the glove box, let it sit down. If you have anything in here, go ahead and remove that now. It's going to fall on the floor by the time we're done. You're going to push on both sides of your glove box to push these ears in. By doing this, your glove box will fall a tad bit, maybe about a centimeter, but not too far. Here you have a stop or a shock that doesn't let your glove box fall too far. You can pop it right off by pulling outward or away from the glove box. You might be able to use some pliers to squeeze these clips together and pull it off easier, but from experience I've noticed it slides right on and off with no problem and hasn't broken yet. Now let your glove box dangle here. Just let it sit here. You don't have to do anything else with the glove box. Here is the cabin air filter itself. This is the door that holds the cabin air filter in. On both sides you have some tabs or some ears. You can see I'm just going to use my finger. If you have a 90-degree tweaker tool, that might help you out in the situation. But you can see right here, I'm going to use my finger. Comes right out. Nice and easy. No problems. Again, if you need one of these, make sure you look for a link in the description below to purchase one. Here's the door for your cabin air filter. Set that off to the side. Don't lose it. Don't break the tabs on it. Make the job harder. Remove the cabin air filter. It slides right out with not really many issues. This one's not that bad. If it is really bad, this will cause weird or odd smells in the cabin. You can see there, this one has some stuff inside the cabin air filter. I'm just going to knock it off and put it back in. But not just some smells, but it could cause poor efficiency of your heating and cooling system inside the vehicle. So your air conditioner or the heater, if they start to perform poorly or don't blow as good, this might be an issue. With your new cabin air filter in hand, make sure it's facing in the correct direction. Usually you should have an arrow in which the air should be flowing through the filter. Make sure it's in the right direction. Slide it into position. If you have any problems pushing it in, make sure you pull it right back out and make sure there's something not right if it's hard to push in. Now get your cabin air filter door and clip it right into place. Make sure it's clipped in on both sides. And you're pretty much done. Here, put your glove box ears up, and then don't forget to connect that shock or extension on the side right here. Hopefully one of these two videos right here might help you out if this video didn't get your job done. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you on the next hopefully helpful video. Thanks for watching.